What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you the real situation around the SOFTBANK and its position in SOFI stock. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that we had this movement to the upside and we didn't finish the entire wave from the bottom to the top to complete the structure of 5 waves according to Elliott wave theory, and that's why we have to have at least one more leg to the upside that probably should break this range of support/resistance. Right here it was the resistance. Let me mark it for you, this range. And right after I made my previous video, we break this range to the upside, had a bounce, and for now we have basically the price action right around this level. Technically it is a very good sign that we broke it, but we have to have a retracement. And in my technical analysis I will show you the exact levels where we might land and what should we expect next. But for now let's continue with the news. And I have to say that the news is quite massive. I didn't catch it, but Andy from this channel, from the club channel, made this video just recently and he named it SOFI stock breaking news. SOFTBANK adds 10% in SOFI stock. And according to his alert that he received from Bloomberg, Bloomberg reported that SOFTBANK adds 10% to its stake in SOFI stock. But right after that he posted this comment and he said, "It looks like Bloomberg sent out an incorrect alert. The current chart shows that SOFTBANK sold and did not add to their position in Q1. 13F is still not fully accounted for." So the circus may continue, but from these charts, on December 31st, 2021, they had 117.79 million shares, and on March 31st, 2022, they have 95.28 million shares. And let me show you the list of institutional investors. Right here we have the filing that was made on May 16th. And they posted that SOFTBANK has 95.28 million shares. They reduced its position by 19.11%, and for now they own about $900 million in value in SOFI. But let me show you this filing. Let me show you at the very top. We have basically right here SOFTBANK, and it is the form 13D/A, and it was filed on April the 6th, and it says that they have 95.28 million shares of SOFI, and previously they had exactly the same amount of shares. So you might wonder why is that, and I have to say that let me show you the difference in between 13F and 13D form, and let me quote you this. Form 13Ds are similar to 13Fs but are more stringent. And investors with a large stake in a company must report all changes in that position within just 10 days of any action, meaning that it's much easier for outsiders to see what's happening much closer to real time than in case of a 13F. This means, let me show you right here, this form was filed on April the 6th. This means this action was made 10 days prior this date. And for now we have, let me show you again this filing. It is right here. For now they filed another form 13F, and this form shows the action, the real action that was made for at least 45 days prior of this filing date. And definitely this is not the most accurate and the most up-to-date information, and that's why I have to say that I wasn't surprised about this number, because previously I already knew that this company has this number of shares, 95.28 million. So, and definitely it is not a catalyst at all, because we don't have any changes in SOFI's in SoftBank position, but we have a lot of other good news. First of all, let me show you that insiders are still buying the shares of SOFI. And previously I showed you that Anthony Noto bought 39,000 shares of SOFI, and right after that Harvey Schwartz on May 17th filed another form that he also added 15,000 shares to his position with exactly the same price. And they basically made these two purchases, Anthony Noto and Harvey Schwartz, made at the same day on May 13th. And this means from the investor standpoint, this asset becomes even more interesting because investors are buying this stock. On top of that, let me show you that we have a very good upgrade from Piper Sandler. And let me show you that it is not the only upgrade of SOFI price target. Mizuho just upgrade its price target, and they set the price target to $10 and to $9 respectively. This means this asset still has a huge upside potential of 48.15% or 30.25% to these price targets. This means, in my opinion, SOFI is still undervalued, and you can read this article on Schaffer Research, and I will put the link on this article in the description below. Here you can find the details of Piper Sandler's report. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we have to know exactly where we are now on the price chart, and in this case Elliott wave theory might help us. So we know that third wave usually is the strongest wave, and we have this weird structure to the upside, but because of this volume we can see that this candle has the highest volume, and most likely it is internal third wave inside the third wave. And in this case, on a smaller scale, we might have something like this. This is our first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth, and this entire movement is nothing else but the third wave on a slightly bigger scale. And this means if I delete this tool right now and make another projection, this might be on a bigger scale our first wave. Second, this entire wave is the third one. Probably this might be the bottom of the fourth, or we might have an ABC correction to land the bottom of the fourth wave somewhere lower. And then we have to have one more leg to the upside that will complete the entire structure. And how we can project the next movement? If it is the case, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave, and I have to adjust this tool. And we have following targets. We barely hit the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of $6.92. But most likely we have to have the shape of a simple zigzag in our retracement, and this means we might land somewhere lower. And the range is from $6.58 all the way through $6.3 to the $6 mark might be your accumulation points, and these ranges might be the trend reversal points. This means if you ladder your buys down along these levels, you will be able to catch the next leg to the upside that might hit next range of resistance, and it is right here at $8.49. This means depending on your entry price, you might catch about 33% of upside potential if it is the case of our next movement. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby,